What is up, brothers? We're back out in the garage today. We got some more stuff to do. Still gotta get this head off of here. Get this piston out, re-ring it. Running out of time. We got all of Trash Panda stuff back, like I said last time, so it's filling up in here. We got wheels everywhere, got parts, 2 cars apart. Really fills up this little 1-car garage real quick. So let's get to work. I'm gonna pull this head off. Finally got my right tools to get these head studs off. I have one 14mm 12 point. No idea where it went. I have this Craftsman toolbox, and that's the only socket I've apparently ever used from it. And of course, didn't make it back in its spot. So I went ahead and got me some fancy stuff. Got this nice big old 1/2-inch drive. Much easier for getting out. Also gonna reveal some more goodies. If you follow me on Instagram, that's Blacksheep _DSM. You see I went to go get these bad boys from this badass 10.9 14B 1G. Sweet car. He had a bunch of goodies that couldn't help myself but to pick out from. So here we go. Just got these in the mail yesterday. This car really needs some love on the suspension. I'm really happy with the power level it's at right now, but there's a lot of other stuff that really needs some help. Sorry about all the heater noise. After the last video I noticed how bad it actually is. So one of the biggest things on here is my rear suspension. You can see hardcore part of the camber gang in the rear. I have nothing for adjustment in the rear. It's just on struts springs, so it sits with some hardcore camber. So I got something to change that. In this box here, bam! I have these fancy adjustable rear upper control arms. This is what is going to get rid of that rear camber. I believe they are Maxim is the brand. We couldn't find anything. They're definitely not made anymore. There's hardly anyone who makes stuff for these anymore. The only options are really Paul Volk, which highly recommend his stuff. That's the front cross member I'm running. Oh well, everything's in the way, but great quality stuff. Looks awesome. But this was a much cheaper option for me right now. It's basically just a tubular arm. We got one of these end links with a nice end joint. These should do the job. Besides these, my other option, and was my plan until these popped up, was just basically piece together stuff from Jegs or Summit. There's lots of write-ups on, including part numbers of exactly what you need to make your own. But as I said, these popped up for an absolute awesome deal. These have been proven. These have gone, what, 1/4 60 foots and 10.9 in a 14B car. Should do good enough for me. Super excited to get those on. More to my list to do this winter, but well worth it. Definitely well worth it. But now let's get down to work. First, I get it done. Having 2 cars apart in here, definitely gotta keep it organized. Slight pain in the butt. But it's good having to keep it organized anyway, I guess. comes off nicely. You can see this one. Boom, cross hatching all around. This one looks good. I'm gonna have to drop these ones down to take another look. But this was a cylinder that failed the leak down test real bad. I mean, I guess it wasn't real bad. Still ran fine, but definitely did not have all the compression it was supposed to. But everything else looked fine when we did the leak down test. It was just this one here. So she's all apart. I'll probably drop out the piston tonight. So just threw the head gasket back on here. I think everything looks fine on it. This was that weird, I was having that weird issue over here. I was hoping something would go bad. I don't see anything. It's a Permatorque. It's supposed to be one of the best head gaskets you could get. I don't know if this is savable, worth reusing. I ended up just getting a Felpro composite. A lot of people have good luck with those, so that's what I plan on just doing as a cheaper option this time. But I don't know. I don't know if you guys spot anything that says I should definitely not reuse this again. I don't know if this is, I could still kind of feel the ridges. Like they're not super compressed down. No blowouts in between anything. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know if you think I should definitely avoid it or what. I might just throw on the composite just for peace of mind and then just hold on to this. And I don't know, if I really need a head gasket for some reason, don't want to spend the $15 on the composite, throw this one back in. I don't know why that would ever be a case, but I have it. I don't know, it's an expensive head gasket. I've read things about it being reusable. But I think I'm going to flip this over and we'll drop out this rod and piston here and take a gander. Let's do it. Gonna make more messes? Always making messes. Woo! Vertical. I'll slide that off of there. Whoa! Oh my Lanta. Was out. So here we go. Again, I'm no expert. I don't know any real thing to look at. I don't see any cracks. Everything looks fine. Yeah, I mean, this is the only thing I really noticed right here. I don't know if that's really anything or not, but yep, that's about all I see. There's that. Alrighty, look at there. Here you have this one. Not too beautiful. Lighting sucks. But got the idea. You basically saw it before. Not nice. Let's see if we can get this guy here. Do some cranking. So I got that one top dead center. Did a little fingernail test on the bearing surface. It feels real good still. So that's nice. This one I am noticing those straight streaks as well. Wow. This one, cylinder 3, looks to be nice. See all the cross hatching, and that's really it. But this one I am noticing all these straight streaks. Again, I don't really know if that's bad. I bought one set of rings. I'll make some posts, talk to some friends, see what they say about that, if that's a telltale sign that rings are trashed or something and I need to redo those ones as well. But this one didn't give me any issues with the leak down test, but I did it well before the end of the season. I noticed this one was bad, but we just kind of sent it and kept running it. Did fine. But this one, I don't remember having any issues. All three of these, 2, 3, and 4, did well. So, I don't know. That's kind of funky. Might redo it, might not. I don't know. Find out. Oh boy, what a joy, what a joy. But yeah, everything looks pretty good, I think. I don't know. Again, no expert, just kind of. This was my first engine build. So everything besides machining the block I did. Me and Amos, owner of Trash Panda, has done a couple, but this is my number one. And this old girl here. Yeah, I'll probably end it up there on this one. We got the rod out, piston out. I'm able to see the cylinder wall, a little bit of extra damage, I guess. Wasn't hoping that it would be anything else other than this one. Might be fine, might just leave it, I don't know. It's not that big of a deal. Like I said, the leak down test before was fine. I'll talk to a buddy and see what he says, but that, got a more part. Ready to get this thing back together. We gotta get moving. We got 2 cars put together here. I would really like to have mine running well before spring comes, so get it kind of broken in again. It doesn't need much breaking in, but it would be nice to have it ready to rock and roll right away and bring it out. We will see, we will see. Definitely want to have it running before we have to move to Florida and not have to transport a ton of parts and stuff. I'd rather have just a full together running car. That would be ideal, but next video will be probably do a little how-to ring gap and install piston. I got this one, so then we probably won't do a complete video on the Trash Panda's engine. We'll just kind of do a quick time lapse instead of an in-depth how-to, which I'll just do on this. Be able to get some ball hone action. Got that. Got the dingleberry. Ram it in there. Just clean it up. But yeah, other than that, that's all she wrote, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys. Shoot me a like and subscribe, and take it easy.